In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use clipping masks in Canva. A clipping mask lets you place an image inside a shape so only the part within that shape is visible. It's a simple way to create polished thumbnails, social posts, and standout graphics without complicated software. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each one does, and share tips to keep everything smooth and clear. First, look to the left-hand side of your Canva editor and click on Apps. This opens a panel where you can find tools and integrations that extend what Canva can do. If you don't immediately see apps, make sure your left toolbar is expanded. Clicking apps doesn't change your design, it just brings up options you can use inside it. Next, in the apps search field, type clipping mask. Typing the exact phrase helps you find the correct tool quickly. You should see a result labeled clipping mask appear. This is the feature that will let you place your photo or graphic inside a shape in just a few clicks. Go ahead and click on clipping mask to open it. You'll see a simple interface that guides you step by step. From here, choose the image you want to mask. Click the image you plan to place inside a shape. This can be a photo that's already in your design, or one from your uploads or library. Picking it now tells Canva which picture to use with the mask. With your image selected, click Start Masking. This moves you into the masking view where you'll choose how the image is cropped by the shape. Think of this as setting the window through which your image will be seen. Now, select the shape you want. The shape defines the boundary of your image, so choose one that fits your layout and mood. Circles for profile-style crops, rectangles for clean banners, or more decorative shapes for creative designs. As you browse, focus on how the image will read inside that silhouette. Selecting a bold, simple shape often keeps the final result clean and legible. When you're happy with the choice, click Add to Design. Canva will place the masked image onto your canvas as a single, editable element. From here, you can treat it like any other object in your design. Move it, resize it, or align it with existing elements, while the shape and crop remain intact. That's it. You've used Canva's clipping mask to turn a regular photo into a polished, shaped graphic with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.